Nurture your talents. Our school's mission is to provide a holistic education blending academic excellence, moral values, and cultural heritage. We strive to create a supportive and inclusive environment where every child feels encouraged to explore, learn, and grow. I would like to express my gratitude to our dedicated teachers who work tirelessly to inspire and guide our students. Your selfless commitment to education is truly commendable. And to our students, I say